Hello everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here with program number 9, Mystery Clues from the book 101, Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 for a Home Computer. One of my favorite retro programming books from when I was a kid. I used to pore over this book and type in all these programs and spend hours and hours with this book. I'm going to read through this description of this program and type the program into the Classic 99 emulator and then run the program. And that's what we're going to do. So, number 9, Mystery Clues. Want to create your own murder mystery? Figure out whodunit and write your own program backwards from there. When your players make wrong guesses, give them tantalizing clues. Here's a short program which you can load into your computer in a matter of minutes. Key it in and try it out. It shows how you can add clues to your mysteries. For simplicity, we assume here the butler did it. Note that in line 20, we are making an equal to X string. At line 30, the computer stops to ask you whom you think did it. Your answer is recorded in A string. In line 40, your answer, lodged in A string, is compared with the computer's already certain knowledge that the butler did it. A string is compared with X string. If they agree, and only if they agree, the computer displays the message, "You guessed it." If you got it right, things will end right there. If, however, you missed it, program execution, sorry about using that word in a murder mystery, drops to line 50, where we hear the computer clue servant. After deftly dropping that clue, the computer moves back and runs through the whole affair another time. It will keep running through it until you answer butler in response to its question in line 30. Okay, program listing. Can we fit this on one screen? We can. Let's go ahead and type it in. We have our Classic 99 emulator pulled up. We're going to get in TI Basic. And it looks like the first line is 10 call clear. A traditional way of starting a TI Basic program. 20 X string equals butler. X string equals butler. 30 input whodunit. Oops. Whodunit. Did I get the spelling right? Whodunit. Yep. And oh, we actually have a space in there. I'll type it exactly as written by the author, Len Turner. Colon A string. 40. If X string equals A string, then 100. 50. Print. 60. Print clue. Space, end quotes, comma, and then quote, servant quotes. "70, print. "80, go to 30. 90. Print, yes, you guessed it. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, not 90, line 100. Print. The line numbers in these programs jump around a little bit. For some reason I don't fully understand. Print, yes, you guessed it. And do it exactly as written, no punctuation. And line 110. Print B space end quote colon X semicolon X string semicolon quote space did it quote. That, I believe, is the entire program. Okay. Let's give it a run. Whodunit? Let's see. How about the cook? No. Clue. Servant. Whodunit? Who else? Let's just do it once, get the right answer here. Butler. You guessed it. The butler did it. Okay, let's run it again. Whodunit? Cook. I don't know, like in the movie Clue, Mr. Body. Servant. Whodunit? Butler. There we go, that's a good screenshot. Okay. There's not much to this program. You know, if we run it and we don't have an input, it just gives us a clue. If we type in, you know, I don't know, Mr. Green, whatever, servant, servant, servant. You know, it could be house cleaner. Nope, servant. Butler. Woohoo! You guessed it. The butler did it. Kind of fun, you know. It's be a way of. Again, the idea behind these particular type-in program from this book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer, is not that these are fully fleshed out game programs that are lots of fun and have lots of nuance. These are tiny little elements that you can use in the context of a larger program. So if you wanted to write a text-based murder mystery program, here's a way of giving a hint, having a mystery with a clue. Anyways, that was, what's the title of this program called? This one's called Mystery Clues from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. I'm going to list out the program once more. And if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth or under my name, Zachary Fruhling. For more TI-99 4A content, some retro programming content, some retro gaming content, and some World of Warcraft live streams. And be sure to follow my Twitch channel for more for live streams on all of the above. And if you're watching this on Twitch right now, live, be sure to check out my YouTube channel as well. Check me out on both platforms, in other words. And I really appreciate any likes, follows, subscribes, especially the subscribes, because everything's expensive these days, and I'm between full-time jobs. So I'm putting nose to the grindstone, making some content on my favorite topics, and try to generate a little revenue that way. So I appreciate any subscribes on Twitch and the follows and subscribes and likes on YouTube. Thank you very much, and I'll be back with program number 10 from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer very soon. Thank you very much. Catch you on the next video.